In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use layers in AutoCAD. Layers are the backbone of a clean, manageable drawing. Think of them like transparent sheets stacked together where each sheet holds related objects. With good layer habits, you can control visibility, line styles, and editing permissions without hunting through your drawing one object at a time. Start by opening your drawing and heading to the Home tab. In the Layers panel, click Layer Properties to open the Layer Properties Manager. This is your dashboard for organizing everything. You'll see columns for each layer's name, whether it's on or off, frozen or thawed, locked or unlocked, and its color, line type, and line weight. Getting familiar with this panel will save you lots of time. Next, create a new layer. Click New Layer, then give it a clear descriptive name, something like walls, doors, text, or dimensions. Consistent naming makes collaboration and later edits much easier. Assign a color that makes sense visually. For example, use one color for structural elements and another for annotations. Choose a line type such as continuous for outlines or dashed for hidden elements, and set an appropriate line weight so printed output looks professional and readable. These properties define how objects on that layer will appear and plot. Whenever possible, draw objects with their properties set to by layer so they automatically follow the layer's settings. Once your layer is configured, set it as the current layer. In the Layer Properties Manager, select the layer and make it current. You'll see it confirmed on the status bar. From now on, anything you draw will inherit that layer's color, line type, and line weight, helping you stay consistent without extra clicks. Finally, manage your layers using on-off, freeze, thaw, and lock-unlock. Turning a layer off hides its objects but keeps them part of the drawing's calculations. Freezing a layer also hides it, but it removes those objects from regeneration, which can improve performance in bigger files. Thawing brings them back. Locking a layer keeps objects visible, but prevents accidental edits. You can still snap to them, which is perfect for referencing without changing anything. Unlock when you're ready to modify. These controls let you focus on what matters in the moment, reduce visual clutter, and avoid mistakes. That's it. Set up layers thoughtfully, make the right layer current before you draw, and use visibility and locking to control your workflow. With a solid layer strategy, your drawings will be cleaner, faster to edit, and easier for anyone to understand.